What's up everybody? In this video we're going to be taping a bike because once you've bought a brand new mountain bike you want to have some protection on there to keep that bike looking fresh. So we went and got some bike tape, which is an 8mm clear plastic. This is UV resistant, so it's not going to turn yellow in the sun. Pretty inexpensive to keep your bike looking new. So we've got the nuke proof here all taped up. We're going to move on here to the red Raggly Marley. So I'm going to show you how to tape up a bike for protection. Let's get started. So the places you want protection is where you're going to get a lot of mud and under the bottom of the bottom frame. Put up here on the top, that will protect from when you put it on a bike carrier, strapping it down. Back here on the back of the seat tube. Another spot is up here where the cables are going to wear on your front tube. As you can see here, on this GT, has a lot of wear here from the cables. First you want to clean off any dirt, and I'm just going to clean one surface at a time. Then we're going to grab our tape and we're going to measure it out before we cut it. So we're going to run down the length of the frame tube, and we're going to stop here at the welds because it doesn't go over the welds very well. Then you just center this sticker in the middle of the frame here, and I work a little bit of the tape at a time. And then we're going to trim around this weld point here. Then we're just going to work the tape out all the way down a side. We're going to work these bubbles out. So just work the tape down and there you go. As I mentioned before, you want to get this clean, mark that tape. Alright, right here we're going to slice this to go around. So we're going to slice the tape. I bet you can't even see it. Alright, you're going to want to remove these plastic plugs. You're going to pop these plugs out so we can tape over this. We're going to cut this hole out so you can stick these back in. Since it curves, I'm probably going to have to slice the tape. Just snap our plug back in there. Pretty much any place that you think it's going to get nicked is a good spot to put tape on. And you can layer the tape up, so underneath the crankset we did double up tape down there, so it has a little bit better impact resistance there. So we're all finished up. We got the Raggly Marley all taped up. We got the rest of our bikes here taped up, so we are good to go. Everything is taped up and they're ready to hit the trail. So if you found this video helpful, smash that like down below. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.